Started off on a mild note, it's certainly going to be ending on a chilly one. We've seen plenty of cold weather over the past few days and it's set to get colder still as we head through the week. So today then, another cold day certainly, and there will be a few wintry flurries around, although most of us will manage to avoid them. Now, why is it so cold? Well, it's all to do with where our air is coming from. In Moscow, temperatures this week of -19, and that cold air spilling its way towards the UK. It will warm up a touch as it heads towards us, but nonetheless, some chilly conditions on the cards. Through this morning then, we will have one or two wintry flurries for some eastern areas towards parts of Northumberland, for instance, down towards Lincolnshire. A few outbreaks of snow at times. To the west, it's a drier, a brighter start to the day. We could see one or two heavier snow showers perhaps filtering in the Thames estuary at times through this morning, but head further west, I think it's mostly dry. Could be some slippery surfaces around though across southwestern parts of England to start off the day, following those sleet and snow showers overnight. So a fairly bright start to things across Wales, a brighter day than recent days, but sub-zero temperatures, so again it is feeling pretty cold right from the word go. And a frosty morning too for Northern Ireland, although more in the way of sunshine than recent days, 1 or 2 degrees by 8 in the morning. Plenty of sunshine too for western parts of Scotland. Further east we've got thicker cloud bringing 1 or 2 flurries of snow towards Aberdeenshire and Angus, for instance. Now through the course of the day then, this band of cloud and a few wintry snow flurries in the east pushes its way further south and west slowly, but many places will avoid those wintry flurries. More in the way of sunshine, I think, than recent days, brightening up in the east later on in the day, but temperatures at best between around 2 to 4 degrees, and there'll be a bit of a breeze around, particularly in the south, so it'll feel even colder than this. So it's bright and it's crisp, all down to the high pressure that's across Scandinavia, drawing in these easterly winds, so bringing us cold air, but also some fairly dry air. So that means as we head through into Wednesday, we should see a fairly dry story for much of the UK. More in the way of sunshine, I think, on Wednesday. Clearer skies, meaning most of us seeing some of that wintry sunshine. Not doing much to lift the temperatures, I'm afraid. Around 1 to 3 degrees for most of us, and again, a breeze in the south making it feel even colder. So later in the week, we will see nighttime temperatures dropping even further, -7 degrees or so in Manchester to start off Thursday morning. Could be the coldest night of the year so far. And not a lot of change as we head to the latter part of the week. It is looking mainly dry. Things are turning even colder for most of us, and we'll have plenty of hard frost by night.